I know it's kind of hard to believe, but that's really a gobo. That's one of Apollo's MicroGobos. And in the gobo world, we think this changes everything. So I'm going to talk about that a little bit. We have been running gobos for 30 plus years, and I believe we're the world's leading gobo manufacturer. Having said that, we've tested all kinds of different metal gobos, metal products. We've tested titaniums, all kinds of exotic metals, high temperature metals. And about 2 years ago, we started working on making a smaller gobo that would handle the heat in some of the very small lights. And so what I showed you here is really only about a 4mm image. And we learned how to take our glass laser markers and cut metal in a very fine way that literally I got to put this under a microscope to see its quality. It's just incredible. And we ended up using aluminum. Even though aluminum has a fairly low melting point, what we found is there's nothing that touches aluminum on performance. Nothing. And I don't care if you got an exotic metal that'll handle 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, it will not compare it to aluminum. Aluminum, for some reason, stays more rigid, it cools better, and it reflects the heat and the hot temperatures. And so our MicroGobos, we ended up developing the process to cut extremely fine aluminum, and it kind of blew our mind. And so in developing that, we really asked ourselves, why don't we offer standard gobos in aluminum, everything in aluminum, because it is a vastly better material to make gobos than stainless. Stainless is strictly a legacy metal. It's what everybody's used forever, but it's not the best metal to use. And so we are now offering any size gobo in aluminum. And this gobo itself, it looks like it's brand new. It looks like it just came out of the box. It's never been touched. There's no burning on the edges. There's no quality issues. There's no flatness issue. It's gorgeous. Looks like it just came out of the box. This has 600 hours on it. This gobo has 600 hours on it. And it looks brand new. And so if you buy one of Apollo's aluminum gobos, you run it 500 hours, you run it 1,000 hours, it's still gonna look exactly the way it did when it came out of the box. And so I guess I'll say what I said earlier, Apollo's aluminum gobos kind of changes everything in the gobo world. So take a look at them, check them out, and next time you pick up the phone to order a gobo, order it in aluminum, test it yourself, and you're gonna see these things just last forever.